Hey y'all, it's me Alex. Today I am doing a 3 looks 1 palette video featuring the ELFxJKissa collaboration palette. Sadly this palette has been discontinued, but honestly I am so in love with the color story that I still wanted to do one. I'm trying to go through my collection and do a 3 looks 1 palette with all of the palettes that I have. So this is on that list. And I figured, if you had it, I could help, provide some inspiration. So I've already done a first impressions review on it back when it was first released, so I'm not going to really get into that. So instead, I am just going to get into the 3 looks. Okay, so I've already primed my eyes. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the shade Danger, which is this purpley shade right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Right now I'm having a little bit of trouble with this crease, so I'm going to go in and put it on a smaller packing brush, and then maybe that'll help there not be a line there. Okay, there's still a little bit of a line, but at least it's better. So now I'm going to put some in the outer corner. Now I'm going to take the bright green shade here, Alien, there, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. And then I'm just going to not take any more of the purple shade on the brush and just blend it out into my crease. I will actually take a little bit right here. Now I'm going to take the burgundy shade here, My Moon, and I'm going to put that along my lower lash line. And then I'm just going to pop Sway, the lavender, right here on my inner corner. And I'll also take a little bit of the Champagne shade 23 and put that on my brow bone. Okay, so now I'm going to finish off my eyes and the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so for my mascara I actually used the brown mascara that came in the collection. I think it looks really nice. And for my lips I used Milani Matte Beauty, and this is the finished look. Okay, for this look I'm gonna do a nice little monochromatic yellow look, so that way I can match my shirt, and also because I know that ColourPop palette just came out and I'm trying to convince myself I don't need it. So I'm going to begin by taking the shade BFF right here, that kind of yellowy brown, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. And now I'm going to take the shade Mac and Cheese right here, the center one, there we go, and I'm going to put that on my lid. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of BFF and I'm going to use that to blend out the crease and put it in my outer corner. And I'm also going to put it along my lower lash line. This one is just going to be super quick and easy. And then I'll take the shimmery shade 23 right here, and I'll put that in my inner corner. And now I'm going to do some quick eyeliner because I feel like this look needs it, and I'll be using my NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. Okay, so my eyeliner only looks good on like this side, but if I keep going on this side, it'll just like expand and expand and expand. So I'm gonna stop here and I'm gonna throw on some mascara and lipstick. Okay, so I threw on a lipstick that I'm trying to use up by the end of the year, which is Nosferatu by Kat Von D, because that was in my problematic project pan last year and I would really like to be done with it. So yeah, this is my finished look. Okay, so for this look, I'm going to begin by taking the shade BFF, and I'm going to put that in the crease, kind of like I did for the last look, but this one will actually look different, I promise. And now I'm going to take my Moon, the burgundy shade, and I'm gonna put that in the outer corner, and I'm gonna blend it into the crease a little bit just to deepen it up. Now I'm gonna make this into a nice little cut crease by going in with my Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas. This is the shade Halo. And I just look up like this, and I fill in the rest. Okay, so now I'm going to take the lavender shade here, Sway, and I'm going to put that all over the place where I cut my crease. And then I'm just going to take a little bit more of my Moon and I'm going to use that to blend out the outer corner. Then I'm going to go back in with BFF and I'm going to apply that along my lower lash line. And again, I'm just going to use a little bit more of the burgundy towards the outer corner. And now I'm going to take the shade 23 here, and I'm going to pop that in my inner corner. So now I'm going to finish off my look with some mascara and like highlight and blush and lips, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the lipstick I chose for this look is the e.l.f. liquid lipstick in Praline, and this is the finished look. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe down below if you want to see more videos from me, and I'll see you on my next one. Hope you'll have a wonderful day. Bye!